Hello everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I will be showing you how to use a Switch 1 Joy-Con on your Switch 2 in Mario Kart World. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is go down to your multiplayer. So as you can see here, I've got my Switch 2 Joy-Cons. So I'm just simply going to go down to multiplayer and I'm going to select free player. So I'm now going to go ahead and press A. So I've got my first controller, which I'm going to press the two back buttons here. You can see nice and big compared to the Switch 1. So that's player 1. This one's going to now be player 2. So again, if I just do that, and we've got 2 player. So what I now want to do is get my Switch 1 controller. So I've got my Joy-Con here, and you can see it's currently scanning. So just simply holding this button at the top. So if I hold that in for a few seconds, it's now scanning. And it will then connect to your Switch 2. So you can now see that it's paired. If I now press the 2 buttons, there we go. Nice and easy. So the Switch 1 Joy-Cons do work on the Switch 2. And I can actually now go ahead and play with these controllers. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and press ready. There we go. And if I just simply go on to... Let's just go on to a fastest race quickly. And you can see there, player 1's controlling. So there we go. Let's select that character. This one can select Mario. There we go. And then I've got my Switch 1 controller, Joy-Con. So again, let's just select a character. And you can see that's working there as well. I can then simply just go ahead and join into a race. And let's just join that one. That will do. Again, this controller also has rumble. You can feel it vibrating and all that, which is all good. So there we go. As you can see, I'm in the 3-player split screen and I'm using a Joy-Con remote as well for this bottom left screen. So there we go. That's how easy that is. I really don't like the steering on the controller. I like to use the joystick itself. But I hope this video helped you out and you enjoyed it. If you did like the video, click the like button below. And if you want to see more Switch 2 videos, then don't forget to subscribe.